Hey, today's a big day for some new pullets. Of course, we're gonna catch 2, so we'll go back. I'll throw some more feed out, and they'll calm down. I'll go get some more and bring them down here. I just got 6 to bring down here. I'm gonna put them in here where this. This is my. I call them a calmer flock. There's not quite as many in there. There's a couple Rhode Island Reds, some Buffs, and some Americanas. So I've got 2 olive eggers, 2 Americanas, 2 brown sex links. And the one I got 2 here, one's a brown sex link and one's a olive egger. So we're gonna throw them in there. I'm gonna throw some food in there first. I've already just moved them. One thing I forgot to do is kind of train them other ones on moving, but we'll probably get the gist of it. So let's see if we can get one in there. So this is a olive egger, and it's kind of pretty. It looks like got some, I don't know, maybe some Delaware in it or something. But it's a pretty chicken.
And she's going over there.
So this is a regular old brown sex link here. There's a couple of those in there. This is kind of our bed and butter egg layer.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I'm sorry. Trying to get some video. They just put right in there. They're looking all right. Look at them.
So you can see it ain't no big deal. I don't do much, you know, I've seen some people set the cage beside them, this cage and all that mess. I just throw it in there, they'll work it out. I mean, they're chickens, they just like anything, you throw a bunch of kids together, they'll work it all out. So they'll work out their pecking order, everything will be fine. So I'm not all that worried about them. And all these chickens in here, they're pretty calm anyway, the older chickens. Now, if I had some mean ones, and I've had that happen before, I wouldn't put them in here. But all these are pretty calm, I believe. So, all right, we're gonna go do something else. If I get to rest of them today, I'll film some of them. But I got a couple other things I got to do. All right, we're down here in the garlic patch, and I'm gonna cover this up for the winter. I got some old hay here, and you can see it all came up pretty nice. Not quite sure if I'm supposed to cover it up before it comes up or after, so but we're doing it after. It hadn't really, it's been cold, but it's not as cold today as I thought it was gonna be. So we're gonna get this spread out. It's just old hay, and matter of fact, this is the hay we had down at the sign for decoration. So it ain't good for nothing else. So let's see how this does. Yeah, it ain't gonna be too bad. With the hay on the inside, it don't look too bad. I still wouldn't want to feed it. Might have some mold on it or something.
Is this deer prints through here?
Huh?
Is this deer prints?
Yeah.
All through it? It's all through it down through here.
So I got it. Didn't take about 10 minutes or so, and I'll be sneezing here in a minute. I just wonder if deer come eat that now. I hope not. We might think about getting us an outside dog or something. But we got covered up, and we probably got what, 150 feet.
Mm-hmm.
So it's the first time we've grown garlic, and hopefully it turns out good. It's a soft neck. That's just what they said to grow in our area. So it's getting kind of warm out here now. It feels really good. I guess that's all. We'll go check and see if we get some more chickens, and if we do, we'll film it. If we don't, this is the end of the video. Appreciate everybody watching. Hey, give us a thumbs up. Hit that like button. After you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and then I sure would appreciate it. Hey, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.